When we first chose MC Machinery, we were trying to solve the challenge of versatility in our shop. We already had several large press brakes, but as a job shop handling products of all shapes, sizes, and dimensions, we needed machines that could better handle our smaller parts, and that's where MC Machinery stood out.
We're currently using several MC Machinery press brakes, 3 BB306s, 2 BB4013s, and 1 BB6020. These machines impact our day-to-day operations immensely. They're nearly always running jobs throughout the day, which keeps our workflow efficient and our products moving out the door without delays. The moment we realized this investment was paying off was probably after we saw the impact that the first machine we had purchased had on our production abilities. That success made it clear we were heading in the right direction, and that's when we decided to purchase 5 more over the next couple of years.
Working with the MC Machinery team, whether it's sales, service, or support, has truly shaped our experience in the best way. From the start, the sales process was smooth and straightforward once we saw the capabilities of our first machines firsthand, but what really stands out is the ongoing support. Even after the purchase, their representatives continue to check in and visit our facility to make sure everything is running smoothly. One of the biggest positives is how responsive their entire team is. No matter who you reach out to, whether it's for service, a quick question, or anything else, someone always gets back to you right away. I'm Jack Mahoney. I'm the VP of Operations here at Century Tywood J3.
I'm Noah LaPlante-Doobie, and I'm the Facilities Manager here at Century Tywood J3 Corp. If another shop owner asked me about MC Machinery, I'd tell them they're super easy to work with as a company. You really couldn't go wrong with their machines, and trust me, you won't be disappointed.